reminder from last week, we saw some not so good signs setting up across East Texas, and this has been the weather pattern, folks, for really the last several weeks. It's just been very, very dry. Now, we have seen a little bit of rain. We saw some rain this past weekend. We also saw a little bit of rain during the day on Monday and Tuesday. How did that shape up? Well, not very well. Unfortunately, we continue to see at least a level 2 and a level 3 extreme drought, which part of me is actually a little surprised by this. And unfortunately, with some of the storms we do have in the forecast, I don't think it's going to amount out to very much. But as we look at your yearly rainfall totals, we've seen less than 10 inches in Tyler. And unfortunately, that is about 3.3 inches below normal. And then as we look at Longview, we've seen over 10 inches, but Longview typically sees an average rainfall total higher to this point in the year than what we see in Tyler. So we're about 4.36 inches behind, and then in Lufkin about 8.97 inches. That is about 6.49 below normal. So we've only seen a little over half of what we should see by this time of the year in Lufkin. But as we look at your high temperature trend, we're going to be in the mid 80s over the next several days. So no major differences in temperatures. We're not going to be seeing record-breaking cold or record-breaking warmth. We'll be seasonably warm, which that is enough, frankly, to give us a chance of storms eventually. And we'll talk more about that later. And as a matter of fact, here's the setup. We do have a tornado watch, that extends near Oklahoma City through north central Oklahoma into portions of northeastern and south central Kansas. And this dry line, that will be the focus point of our weather pattern here over the next several days. So as we play this out, not a ton going on, but as we look towards tomorrow evening, a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, so you need to be weather aware. And if we do happen to see storms that come out of this dry line here, a couple of areas to watch. First and foremost, we have the dry line. Some storms could emerge from the west. We will also have a boundary up to our north that will send some waves of energy our direction, which is part of the reason why we've got that storm threat in the Arklatex. But really, our northern counties and our Arklatex counties, we will be under the gun for some strong to severe thunderstorms. And then for Saturday and Sunday, rain chances will remain minimal, but despite that, we do have the threat of severe weather. Up to a half inch of rain, that is a possibility over the next 7 days when you combine all of our rain chances. Lows will fall into the upper 60s and lower 70s. High temperatures back into the 80s. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Rain chances, we've got a chance of rain each day over the next 7 days. So it's not going to be raining every day. We're not going to see widespread severe weather every single day either, but we will have to keep a close eye on what the skies are telling us and if and when we do see the chance of strong to severe thunderstorms. More of the same for deep East Texas. Highs will remain in the 80s. Isaac, Casey.
Thank you, Carson.